Hello, everyone. Welcome to our phonics class. My name is Teacher Hands. Can you all wave and say, "Hello, teacher"? Wonderful! This is our very first class. Let me tell you a little about me. I love teaching children. I like to sing songs, draw pictures, and read books. And I really love chocolates. Do you like chocolates too? Great! Now I want to know about you. What is your name? That's a beautiful name. How old are you? Wow! You are so big and smart already. What do you like to do? Amazing! We will do many fun things in our class together. Today we will learn not one, not two, but 3 new sounds. Let's start with our first sound. Look, friends, this is the letter S. But we don't call it S. We make its sound. Listen carefully. S. Everyone, put your finger in front of your lips and say it softly. S. Wow! It sounds just like a snake. Let's all be snakes. Stretch your hand out like a snake moving through the grass. Ready? 1, 2, 3. S. Ooh, I hear lots of snakes in my classroom today. Listen to my story. One sunny day, a snake slid slowly through the grass. The snake made this sound. S. Can you make it too? Perfect! Okay, my clever snakes, let's play a game. I'll show you some pictures. You tell me which ones begin with S. Sun. Does it start with S? Correct! Sun starts with S. Dog. Does it start with S? That's right. Dog does not start with S. Sock. Does it start with S? Amazing! Panda. Does it start with S? That's right. Panda does not start with S. Soap. Does it start with S? Well done. Soap starts with S. Now let's write the letter S together. First, hold your finger in the air. Start at the top, curve around, and around again like a little snake. S. Excellent! Now take your worksheet and trace the letter S. Each time you trace, whisper S. Wow, friends, you were amazing snakes with S. Now it's time to meet our second sound. Are you ready? Look at this letter. This is A. But today we won't say A. We say its sound. Ah, ah, ah. Listen carefully. Ah, ah, ah. Fantastic! Now imagine a tiny ant is crawling on your arm. What sound would you make? Yes! Ah, ah, ah. Let's all pretend an ant is on our arms and say it together. Ah, ah, ah. Here's a little story. Today, I saw a tiny ant crawling up my arm. I shouted, "Ah, ah, ah." The ant ran really fast. Can you wiggle your fingers like a tiny ant crawling and shout, "Ah, ah, ah"? Wow, you are such brave ant spotters. Now, let's play Sound Hunt. Look at these pictures carefully. Which ones start with the sound ah? Apple, does it start with ah? Correct. Cat, does it start with ah? Right, cat does not start with ah. Well done. Ant, does it start with ah? Good. Airplane, does it start with ah? Amazing. Cow, does it start with ah? Right, cow does not start with ah. Well done. Now, let's write our new letter ah. First, in the air with your finger, start at the top, make a little circle and a line down. Excellent! Now, take your worksheet and trace the letter ah 3 times. Remember to say ah each time. Wow, friends, you were amazing snakes with s and clever ants with ah. Now it's time to meet our third sound. Are you ready? Look at this letter. This is T, but we won't say T. We say its sound and t. Listen carefully. T. Excellent. It sounds like a clock ticking. Can you all make your hands go tick-tock like a clock while saying t? Here's a story. Tick-tock, tick-tock, the little clock goes t all day long. It wakes up the sun, calls the ants, and even tells the tiger it's time to play. Okay, children, move your hands like a clock's hands while saying t. Wow, our classroom clocks are ticking beautifully. Let's play Sound Hunt again. Which pictures start with t? Tiger. Does it start with t? Correct. Table. Does it start with t? Fantastic. Lion. Does it start with t? Right. Lion does not start with t. Amazing work. Bird. Does it start with t? Correct. Bird does not start with t. Apple. Does it start with t? Good. Apple does not start with t. Amazing work. Let's trace our new letter t. First, in the air. Start at the top, go straight down, then across. Pretend you are drawing the hands of a clock. Now, take your worksheet and trace the letter T 3 times. Friends, we have now learned s, ah, and t. Can you remember them? Let's say them together. S, ah, and t. Amazing! Now let's be word makers. We can put these sounds together to make small words. First, let's say the sounds slowly. S, ah, t. Now, say it faster. Sat. Yes, you made your first word today. Party popper. Let's try a few more words using s, ah, and t. At, ah, t. At. As, ah, s, as. We are word detectives today. Can you spot the sounds and make the words? Okay, children, find objects at your home that start with s ah, and t, and say the word. Fantastic job today, everyone. You learned 3 sounds and even made your first words. Wow, friends! Look at all the amazing work you've done today. Now, it's time for our worksheet adventure. Are you ready? Great! First, let's go on a sound hunt. On your worksheet, circle all the pictures that start with the sounds we learned today. S, ah, and t. Can you find them all? I see some clever snakes and tiny ants hard at work. Who can show me one picture they circled? Yes, sun starts with S. Well done. Excellent. Apple starts with A. You are a phonics detective. Perfect. Tiger starts with T. You are all amazing. Now let's trace our letters in the air together. Ready? Start with S. Whisper the sound S as you move your finger. Fantastic. Now A, wiggle like a little ant and say ah, ah, ah. And finally, T, tick-tock like a clock and say T, T, T. Wow! You traced all your letters perfectly. Give yourselves a big clap. Friends, let's show off our super reading powers. What 3 sounds did we learn today? Yes, you are phonics champions. And guess what? We even made our first word. Can anyone remember it? That's right, sat. Say it one more time together. Amazing! I'm so proud of you all. Now let's do our special goodbye dance. Follow me. Stretch your arms like snakes. Wiggle your fingers like ants. Move your hands like a ticking clock. And shout together, "Bye, teacher!" You did an amazing job today. Tomorrow we will learn even more sounds and make more words. Keep practicing your S, A, T sounds at home.
High five for learning today. Now press the like button, tell me your favorite part in the comments, and hit subscribe so we can keep filling our pockets with more lessons together.